Hello guys, let me quickly show you three simple Figma tricks that will make your design workflow faster. So the first trick, press O and then hold on and press anywhere on your Figma file, and then that will quickly help you to create a circle frame. No need to drag or select from any other shape or any other way. Okay, so the second trick has to do with pressing Ctrl plus slash on your keyboard. That will quickly help you to, open the actions bar. You can run any command right from there instead of searching for menus. Alright. And now the third trick has to do with going to the layers here. So imagine you want to, copy the text style from any layer. You can go here and then right click, and then you move to copy slash paste as, and then you can copy any text as a code, as SVG, as PNG, or also copy link to selection. All right, so that's it. If you found this helpful, please like, subscribe, and share the channel with a friend who designs in Figma. Thank you.